Hey, what's up? Today I'm gonna do a little bit of showing off because I got new shoes recently. By recently, I mean like a month ago, but who's even keeping count? I literally have no idea what day it is. I leave my house like once a week. Anyway, the shoes that I'm gonna be showing today, I got from La Moda? I don't know. I think it's a UK brand, but I got them off of the website Dollskill, which is kind of an edgy, gothy, punky website. The shoes are called The Real Deal. I think they're originally like $100, $110, $120, somewhere in that area. I got them for like $50 because they were having a sale, plus I had like a coupon or something, I don't know. So they're laced up on front, and I haven't tried to unlace them really, but it looks like you can. So if you don't like how they come just like normal crisscross. So if you don't like it, I think you could relace them where you could put like different laces in them. I like it because it lets you open it up a little bit, so if your calves don't fit perfectly, there is a little bit of wiggle room in it. But the main way I put them on is that there's this zipper in the back. So far I haven't really had problems with it. It doesn't get caught in anything. I've worn them with tights and it doesn't snag them up or anything. The left one is kind of annoying sometimes. I don't know what that's about, but I haven't had too much trouble putting them on. They go up to the knee, just below it, so it's like there. I got them in all black. That's the only color that I saw, which is whatever. I like buying black shoes anyway. The heel looks really big, but if you see, like, the front of your foot is up here though, so it's not even that deep. I've been looking for a kind of edgy type shoe for a while now, but I never quite just went for it because I'm self-conscious. But the real reason that I got them is that I started going to like concerts recently, and I'm 5'3". I can't see shit. So I thought that buying a good pair of chunky platforms would help me out a little bit. You know what I mean if you're short. Standing in the pit does not go very well if you're not tall. And these people don't give a shit. They won't move for nothing, so figured I'd try to cheat the system somehow. But joke's on me, I got these shoes right when all these stay-at-home orders went into place, so I haven't been able to use them anywhere. So for like how walkable they are, I can't super tell. I have been wearing them around the house, whatever that means, so I'm able to walk on carpet in them, so that's a good sign. The bottoms, they're not like, let's see, maybe show like that. Yeah, they're not like smooth, so there's a little bit of traction, but they're not like very textured at all. So we got these grooves in it, so it's good like if you're walking on like gravel or something, they're fine. You'll slip around in them, I think, if you're not careful. It's pretty wide base of the shoe, so that's not a problem. I'm not like too tipsy in them or anything. There's a lot of surface area, I think, though I'm kind of used to already wearing higher heels because that's just my preference. I like to be a little taller than I naturally am. So far they've been great. I got them in the size 8. My normal shoe size is like a 7.5, 7, 8. Who can even tell? Literally every brand is different, right? But I went with the size 8 just because I have not skinny calves. My calves are big and it runs in the family, and it's just my deal. I have to suffer with finding skinny jeans. It's a pain all the time because my freaking calves get in the way of everything. They didn't have half sizes on the website, so I just went up a half size to size 8 just to be just to be careful. I'm glad that they did, because the boot around the calf fits like pretty snugly. I definitely wouldn't be able to fit in a size 7, but the downsides of that is that the like inside, like where your foot goes, is a little too big. It's a little loose. What I've been doing is just been wearing a pair of fuzzy socks to like take up the room. Like, you know, when you're wearing like snowshoes or something, you always get them a little too big, just so that you can fit like wool socks and shit in them. That's pretty much just what I do now, and it hasn't been too big of an issue. Even if like I was wearing just normal socks, I don't think it would make me like fall and twist an ankle or anything. I was really excited to get these boots, but I haven't been able to show them off anywhere, so that's why I'm making this video, because I literally have to show fucking someone or I'll die. I like them a lot, but I just haven't been able to wear them out for obvious cases. I'm not gonna get dressed up to go to Walmart or some shit, right? That's the only place I go now. I do like just wearing them around the house. Makes me feel kind of, I don't know. That's pretty much all I have to say. I will finish this video just to show you me clunking around in them a little bit. I'm on the fucking carpet, so if it looks awkward, it is awkward, because I don't know where else to do this. My whole fucking house is carpeted. I'm not about to go film myself outside where everyone can see me. Peace. I need a freaking haircut.